Qadri sir, I would like to take your permission. Shall we start?
हाँ स्टार्ट करिए आप लोग.
Okay, thank you. The things that you do for yourself are gone when you are gone, but the things you do for others remain as your legacy. A very good afternoon, everyone. I read this quote somewhere and I thought, what could be better than commencing an event with such a wonderful quote? Firstly, I extend my heartfelt thanks to all of you, but especially our professors and Kazmi sir for taking out their time and making it to this event. I feel extremely privileged to welcome you all to the magazine launch event of our coding society. Talking briefly about our coding society, Hive is a student-run cooperative society of the Department of Computer Science, JMI. We aim to encourage innovation and creativity among students by majorly involving them to develop real-world projects. We try to give a head start to students to participate in hackathons and various other coding competitions. Now coming to the Hive magazine, which has been named Evolution, with an agenda to propagate our views on recent developments in the domain of computer science, which is endeavors for automation. This annual magazine essentially aims to add to your understanding by revealing the latest technological advancements. It was beautifully quoted by Hazrat Abu Bakr Raziallahu anhu that knowledge is the life of the mind. The more knowledge we gain, the better it is. And we believe a magazine is one of the best sources as it provides the reader with in-depth and concise information in a portable and readable form. Our aim behind releasing Evolution is to provide you all a window that offers you articles, pictures, commentary, and useful perspectives about subjects that the readers care about. So without any further ado, let's head towards the launch of the Evolution 2021. And for that, I would like to request all the dignitaries present over here to turn on their cameras and please show us the visual of the magazine. Qadri sir, Monica, yeah.
Mummy, I'm not presentable. I cannot switch on the camera.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
It's okay, ma'am. We understand.
Oh. Thank you, everybody. So now, Qadri sir, can we present the soft copy of the magazine to everyone? Do I
Yes,
have
yes.
the permission?
Yes, 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 of course.
Okay, thank you, sir.
I want to know who designed this magazine. You know, who is the designer of this magazine?
Ma'am,
Name.
it's Bilal. Bilal Ahmed, ma'am.
Wow, that's it's a wonderful, design, and also that invitation card which came was also beautifully designed. I remember doing one event with you, and the things were like not this of this quality, because I find it very good design. I think Canva आपने use किया है. क्या किस पे design किया है?
Ma'am, it is a joint effort of our graphics team. And
Okay.
Bilal has
I
done
want to
it,
know
but
the
everybody
name.
has contributed to it. So I think Bilal has used Photoshop and Canva
Okay, great. ठीक है.
together.
Can we scroll down through the pages? Yeah, this is our team. Next. This is the content page. A short paragraph, short message from HOD sir. Message from the founder. And from here, we begin with the articles. Next. Can we go to the next page? Yeah. These are all the articles. Here's the list of past events that we have conducted in the past few months. And here's the entertainment section, some jokes and riddles. This is the team page with the details of all the team members. And this is a special page actually. So what we did, since the inception of this coding society, we have been working online since it was lockdown was imposed. So we have been doing everything online. So we thought that we would keep a page like this where we will be all on a Gmeet or a platform like this, and we'll upload this. Yeah, we'll share this on in the magazine. Okay. So I think we have reached the last page. Yeah, thank you. So moving ahead, I would like to invite Professor SMK Qadri, Head of Department of Computer Science, just for a quite short introduction of Qadri sir. His areas of interest are software engineering, software reliability, and AI. He has multiple research papers published in IEEE and other internationally reputed journals. So now I would like to request Qadri sir to please speak a few words of encouragement with us. Qadri sir,
Okay,
over
good
to you.
afternoon. Assalamu alaikum. I welcome all the students, teachers, ladies and gentlemen. It is very proud moment for me. We have been joined together here for the launch of very first edition of Evolution.
Muskan, I think you can either wait for sir or you can invite other speakers because I think he got disconnected.
Yeah, ma'am, he got disconnected. Uh, shall we wait for 2 more minutes, ma'am, if he connects?
Yes, please wait.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
We must wait. Yeah.
okay, ma'am.
I think just call Professor Kadri so that he knows.
Yeah, ma'am. Someone is calling him. Let's see. He's not picking up, so let's move ahead. So, talking about our guest speaker, whom we are honored to have here, Dr. S. Kazim Naqvi. Sir has been the director of CIT Jamia since 2013. He is also currently serving as the registrar at Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women. He has worked as a senior system analyst for almost 10 years. So let's welcome Naqvi, sir. Sir, over to you.
I think Qadri Saab has joined back. So first listen to him. And then
Okay, fine, sir.
welcome, sir. Please continue.
So your microphone is off.
Mute है sir. सर आपका माइक म्यूट है कादी साहब.
आप सुन रहे हैं? It is clear.
Now it is clear. Yes.
Yes, yes.
So it is very proud moment for me. We have been joined together here for the launch of very first edition of Evolution magazine, and I congratulate team members of the magazine. Basically, they are our student of MCA 4th semester. Javed, Tarun, Sharma, and others. I gone through this magazine. Our senior professor, like Professor Khurram Mustafa, Professor Rizvi, Soya Jabi, Monica Madam, and also Naqvi Saab contributed in their experience and knowledge in this paper. And the aim of the students creating or editing this magazine is to give emphasizes about the technology, the long journey of technological development or path. And I'm 100% sure they have succeeded very well. And I have seen that our students have written their contribution in this magazine by writing a course for Python programs, and a very good program they have written. And also I'm teaching Python language. So I'm 100% confident that in 4th semester they will get good marks because they have ability to write this type of code that can be published in magazine. So by these words, I again congratulate all the team members of this magazine, and also the supervisor or teachers who guided developing or creating this magazine. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Qadri sir. Thank you so much. So, Naqvi sir, would you like to continue?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
So first of all, now I would like to thank all the students of Department of Computer Sciences, especially the group which has taken this initiative of bringing out this excellent magazine for the first time, as Professor Qadri was pointing out. So congratulations to all of you, and I thank the department, Professor Qadri, and my senior colleagues, Professor Monica, Professor Rizvi as well, for inviting me through the students to be part of this, this event, and Professor Suraya as well. So congratulations to all of you, because such kind of effort, brings out the creativity, in yourselves. You get together as a group, you start working as a group, you start thinking as a group, and these are vital skills to survive in IT industry today, or maybe in any kind of industry today. You need to be part of team and work with teams. So I hope that you must have, and that is being reflected in the contents as well. Somebody has taken role of think tank, and somebody is bringing out the Photoshop part of it. Somebody is working on the articles, and somebody must have been editing and going through, what actually should be inside it. Right, so that team spirit probably must have developed. I am just inquisitive about the rest of the students who have not participated. Probably I expect that class size is around 30-40 or maybe more. So why those students were not part of this magazine, and I hope that they would continue to evolve it further, because I also see that sustaining such kind of effort would be difficult in case if you keep on continuing it, to have a printed copy all the time. So maybe you would think about the electronic copy for the next, next volume or next, issue of this magazine, and motivate others to, participate and contribute, and take it forward from there. Maybe we can also put, in case if Professor Qadri agrees to it, so those students' efforts can also be reflected on our website as well. So you can have a students' corner on the website, and whatever efforts you are doing, if it comes through proper channel, we'll be putting it up on the website. So it would automatically be kind of certificate for your efforts maybe in the future as well. The next thing which I suggest is that you should also take up small projects. Don't wait for your industrial project to start and learn, because because that would waste lots of time. Maybe start working in a small group, think of problems which can challenge you, and try to go beyond the classroom exercises of writing a program to generate factorial of a number of something of that sort, right? So you think of problems and start working on those problems. And I do not know how many of you are participating in hackathons which are being organized. If you are not participating, try to participate in those hackathons. Otherwise, try to pick up the problems which those hackathons are offering, or rather challenging the students with, and maybe make a group and start working on those problems yourself. If some of you consider to be part of maybe some work being done by my center, you can also visit us, and we can have a discussion on what kind of work can you take through my center. And probably that would also be a learning opportunity for you as well, right? So just to continue with your efforts. Maybe some reviewer needs to be also there in the magazine, because I noticed that Professor Surya Jogi has been tagged as assistant professor. She is professor, so those kind of small mistakes would always creep in. But in case if you have a role of reviewer who also watches for such errors, so those can always be rectified. So forget about those are small issues, but you have achieved a lot in bringing out this magazine, which in terms of the professional look says a volume. The articles of students I was going through, you have covered almost all kinds of technologies. You talked about, I think, blockchain and IoT and whatnot, right? I think cloud is missing probably. But so again, congratulations to all of you for this effort. Continue with this, probably maybe think of an electronic version next time, and involve yourself in small projects, and maybe those projects can also then be highlighted on the website, that this was the problem, this is how we actually tackled it. Try to be part of open source communities as well, right? Because there you get lots of opportunities and lots of real code actually to work with. I was seeing that you had some lectures on GitHub, etc., versioning, software versioning as well. So download from those repositories, try to understand those projects, and if you are able to contribute in those open source projects, that would be a very good learning exercise for you, right? So with these words, I would conclude. Thanks for inviting me, and best wishes to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Naqvi sir, for sharing your insights with us. That was really encouraging. Now I would like my co-host Huda to take the event further.
Thank you, Muskan. Good afternoon, everybody. Before I start, I'd like to contemplate on the words of Sidney Harris. The whole purpose of education is to turn mirrors into windows. Students are considered as the future of the nation, and a teacher is believed to be a credible guide for their advancements. Our professors have been a massive guiding source in molding our raw knowledge and uncultivated minds into a powerhouse of vision. We are extremely thankful to all our teachers for their utmost support and guidance. With this, we'd like to invite all the professors one by one to tell us about their articles published in Highvolution 2021 and what made them write the articles on their chosen topics. I'd like to take a moment to introduce our first speaker, Dr. Syed Afzal Murtaza Rizvi. Rizvi sir has more than 30 years of teaching and research experience in India and other countries like the USA and Australia. His fields of interest are knowledge engineering, management information system, automation, algorithm, and bioinformatics. Sir has also authored several books apart from numerous publications in reputed journals. In addition to that, Sir has a patent algorithm, SPEAK, serial peripheral encryption algorithm for keyboard and thermal printer. Apart from academics, Sir also has served in numerous reputable administrative positions. So without any further delay, I'd like to invite Sir to speak. Rizvi sir, you
Okay.
might take over.
Good afternoon to everybody. Brother Qadri Saab, Kazim Naqvi, Monica Madam, Suraya Jubi, everybody, Khalid, whoever is connected.
Good afternoon, sir.
So I don't know the list of the displaying it, but anyway, every faculty member and most importantly my students, dear students. First of all, I must thank you for inviting me and involving in this event. And this event is really a very important. I will call in the era, we are in the era of IoTs and smart computing. So I will say this is the smart act of our students. So we must congratulate them. Link with the IoTs phenomena, you are going to present this thing. This is a showcasing of whatever you are doing. And I'm happy that you have done very first stage to have anything useful for the human values, because I normally say is that every knowledge is eventually for human being development and national development. So this is the first stage. There are 4 stages of any product and services. For that matter, any creation. One is a creation, when things are created, which you have achieved. Second is maintenance, that we always in our software engineering. Third is a retention for longer time, extended maintenance. And the fourth is a sustainable. So these are the 4 stages you have. So you have created first one, like a bumper drive you have created, very nice thing you have created. Now you have to maintain a cycle, a mechanism of transferring knowledge to the younger generation, younger groups continuously. If you really want to maintain, retain and sustain these activities to a longer period, and that will be really a very big achievement. Normally such things are open, created, but they don't belong for a longer period. So that I pray for that your efforts should not go waste. It go for a longer generation, longer next generation people to come. And when the girls, our students were saying about the teachers are actually not our teachers. Teachers are the lifetime students. So we are little senior students to you, whatever our age. We keep on learning. We have a little more experience than you. Otherwise, everything is better in you than us. Energy, you have better than us. Age, you have better than us. Emotion, everything. Vibration, everything you have better than us. Only thing we have experience, and that too, if the relevant experience is maintained and developed with the proper consciousness, with the proper observations. So you only need little bit guidance of the teachers. Otherwise, you have full of potential. Normally, every scientist who has invented their best of the invention was of your age, not was of our age. So remember, this is the right time, prime time. You can produce maximum. You can do things whatever you want. Dream big, do it without any doubts. Because our doubts are our enemies. Like this magazine. If you have started doubting on this, it will never happen. So what you have thought of, you have just sail it. Do it. Don't bother about the criticism of anybody. So this is the thing we would like to have, and you have done. You have a potential to do this. You have already proved it. So they're absolutely, you deserve for all kind of praise, appreciation, and congratulations from for all our colleagues and all our seniors. We have so there are many things, and it is as a first element. It has many good things. Projection, pictures, everything is good. But everything must have the first time has done, especially they must be having some weaknesses. Minor weaknesses like writing assistant professor, so professor is a minor error, but the problem is it reflects that you don't know the teacher's designations. You are in the fourth semester. So that big interpretation can be drawn. So such things has to be avoided. And normally sometimes such things, writing wrong designation offends the concerned teachers or concerned professor. So
Not
such
at all,
things.
sir. I think that I'm teaching them for the first time. They might not be knowing me well. So this is
No, no, it is
understandable.
nothing to do with Dr. Surya. It is this is my view. Okay. So second thing, सागर आजमी का एक शेर है, शोहरत की बुलंदी पर इतना न उड़ो सागर, परवाज न खो जाए इन ऊंची उड़ानों में। आप जहां से चले थे, परवाज कहते हैं, आप चले थे डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कंप्यूटर साइंस से, तो डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कंप्यूटर साइंस से आपको कनेक्टेड रहना है, उस प्रवास को आपको भूलना नहीं है। परवाज न खो जाए नीचे उड़ान। इसमें जितने भी फोटोग्राफ हैं उसमें प्रवास का कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है। सारे जो हैं मतलब वेबसाइट्स हैं, अच्छे लगने के लिए ठीक है, लेकिन इसमें बहुत से हमारे कैंपस में, हमारे डिपार्टमेंट में, हमारी लेबोरेटरी में बहुत से व्यू हैं। अगर वो लिए जाते तो हमारा नजर आता, सिवाय इसके कि डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कंप्यूटर साइंस लिखा हुआ है, ये रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं हो रहा कि इट इज ए प्रोजेक्शन, ए प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज और व्हाटएवर यू कॉल from our place. So in that sense, it must be connected with the reality. In a real situation, not everything is ugly or bad. There are so many things can be printed and taken in a nice form, nice printed form. We are taking a copy from the foreigners, white color skins people. That is not always suitable to us. What we are. So that is not reflecting in the pictures. So that has to become from the Department of Computer Science, its environment and the university environment. That would have been better. That is my personal opinion. Second thing, some of the content, technical content has to be added. There are certain content you are very good, done like a Python program yourself, various way of calculation, particular things in C and C++ and Python. These kind of thing has to be in a very upwards and very advanced little situation. So department, it is a department magazine. It should reflect the product and services from the department. So that has to be completed. What department is doing, product and services form. So many product, try to first have a product, IoT's product. So some of you must develop a product and illustrate the functioning of the product. So that will add the technically higher image of the magazine. So these are the points little missing. But it is, I'm not undermining your efforts. It is missing. It is, first of all, it is the first system. First magazine itself is a great thing. But what are the future you must add to this situation, this magazine? I'm talking in that context. So sustainability is one issue. Making it more technical things one issue. Making it to be connected to the department. Add product and services also. There are many services we can also add to the Department of Computer Science and then enlist them what we can do. Or whether our department is serving to the society, any kind of voluntary teachings, any kind of voluntary helps. So there are many services perhaps we have not started, may start and then include in such magazine. So we have to look, critically analyze our department, improve upon in terms of product and services, and make this as a smart event, a smart showcase, a magazine on for the projection of whatever we are doing. That way, really, it is going to add a very great value for our department. And I'm really good, really proud to have this batch, especially who has taken the initiative of this magazine. I would like to have this real life problem solving. We are basically a problem solver, software engineers. We are production factory of software engineers. So real life problem solver, developing software for various purposes, various applications. So there should be some pages, some contribution for software development. Some product as a software has been developed, sold, accepted by some group of people. And we have a potential advisor and guides Like you have ICT center, our teachers are there, departments are there, computer engineering department also is there. You can take help of them. And Dr. Naqvi is always there for such kind of help. What is going to be a future scenario? His vision is quite good. So we have a potential of things. We utilize all those resources. Inshallah, your magazine is going to be the most popular thing in Jamia Millia Islamia, and not only at that level, at a national level. All the university, there will be demand of such magazine in all other peers, MCA department, computer engineering department, and other peer university. I am waiting for that day to happen. Congratulations, all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rizvi sir. Sir, actually, we cannot make changes to the hard copies, but
No, don't be apologetic. What has happened, happened. Forget it. Behind, first is behind.
we will start working on the
Yeah, they positive energy from this side. Fine.
We'll try to
Whatever
make
I am taking about, it is for the future good. So don't take that way, please. All the way.
Okay. Yeah.
Don't
No, actually, that was
don't
very
have a discussion
encouraging,
on
sir.
that. I am just talking about long-term vision about your magazine. That's all.
Okay, thank you,
All the
sir.
best.
Thank you so much. Okay, so Khurram sir is not here because he has shared a message with us. Like he has congratulated us and he has appreciated the work that we have done. His message is, I saw the excellent print issue, but regret I cannot join. So, so we'll go ahead, Huda. We'll invite our next
I'll take
speaker.
over. So I'll take a moment to introduce our next speaker. That is Dr. Monica Mehrotra. Ma'am has more than 23 years of experience in teaching and research. Her areas of research are data mining, information retrieval, and social network analysis. She has authored books like Software Project Measurements, Principles and Practices of Software Engineering, and numerous other publications in reputed journals. Ma'am has been a member of IEEE for more than 10 years and has also delivered several invited lectures. Ma'am, we'd be glad if you'd speak a few words of guidance and encouragement for our coding society. Ma'am, please take over.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you, Huda. Very good afternoon. Professor Qadri is not there. All my fellow colleagues, Professor Rizvi, Dr. Kazmi and others, and my dear students. I really feel honored to release the 2021 edition of your magazine, Evolution. I take this opportunity to thank our head sir in encouraging the students with the Hive Coding Society. I also especially wish to congratulate Tarun Sharma of MCA Semester 4, who is the founder member of this society. It's your brainchild, I believe. I'm happy to see the various events which have been organized by the society in the span of the past 1 year, in spite of the pandemic. This edition of the magazine covers a range of diverse topics like edu-informatics, AI and IoT, role of ICT in university operations, etc. There are contributions by the new batch students also, which is very encouraging. I would also encourage the students and the society to interact with our alumni so that we are aware of the latest requirements by the industry. That's very important, okay? As Naqvi Saab has pointed out, and even Professor Rizvi, you must take up challenging problems and projects, real life problems, and work on them. And every issue in the future must include at least 3 very good projects which have been done by the students. That will really add weight to the magazine, okay? My interest areas are data mining, data sciences, information retrieval, social network analysis, and so on. I could not submit an article because of some prior engagements, but next time I will, okay? I also see very good team effort in this magazine, and the final version is very delightful. The presentation is good, very good visualization, and good quality paper has been used. But to cut the cost, as Dr. Naqvi has suggested, we can switch to an online electronic medium next time. Okay, that will cut the cost. Then the final, I would just like to say, success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Okay, so we have to continue and keep doing some better work. With those words, and wishing the society and all the members a very fruitful coming year. On that note, I would like to end my talk. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Monica, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay, so moving ahead, now I would like to invite our next speaker, Dr. Suraya Zabeen. Talking about ma'am, she is the placement coordinator at the department level placement committee for MCA, MSc Bioinformatics and PG DCA courses. Ma'am has more than 17 years of teaching experience and almost 10 years of research experience. Her areas of interest are AI, soft computing, biometrics, digital image processing, and computational biology. Ma'am has credited over 38 research articles in international journals, conference proceedings, including 10 papers in Scopus indexed high impact journals. She also has a patent titled Mobile Biometric Signature Based Authentication System. She is also the member of several renowned professional bodies. So without any further delay, I'd like to invite Suraya, ma'am.
Thank you, Muskan. ना सब introduction की क्या जरूरत थी? I mean, I just want to congratulate Professor Kadri, Professor Rizvi, Professor Nakvi, Professor Monica, and all dear students. I want to congratulate all of you for your sincere efforts. Very well organized event. Now I can bank upon you totally. While conducting any event, I will leave it up to you that prepare the introduction to the outside members or external invited guests, and you will come up with fantastic job. This is this is for sure. I'm quite okay with your batch that you are going to excel in organizing any event. Either this is the magic of online mode, or I don't know, because each time when we do, and it might be a wonderful team effort, I can say. And I want to congratulate Tarun, Sabha, Sarwar, and other students of their batch for forming this kind of coding club, and to encourage students for taking up coding as their main thing to excel in their career, because coding is the most important aspect, and this coding club should have been existing earlier, and rather it is late. Tarun joined, and he has Tarun, Sabha, and everyone, they have taken this initiative, and it's a very good initiative. And about coding profile, I can say that first you need to decide that whether you want to become a web developer or a data scientist, or depending on different profiles, you should pick up on the same line what kind of languages will be suitable for you. Let's say you have interest in becoming data scientist, then you can choose like different platforms are there, like Kaggle.com and CodeOcean and Code Gladiators. There are different platforms which where you can search for live competitions where they upload their data set, and on those data set you can prepare your machine learning models and upload your accuracy, and they check the accuracy of your model live, which is very very encouraging. When you participate in a simple competition like MNIST, if you pick up simple data set like MNIST, it has different variants, like there is a pre-processed way of MNIST in which we have to do digit recognition. Then there is MNIST article data set. There are different, that is not the only data set. Then there is a competition for skin cancer detection, and all these competitions, they go live every year, and they offer very good opportunity. And once you participate into those competitions, then you can maintain your GitHub profile where you can store your codes in a very organized way. Like I have seen different different presentations done by Tarun as well, different students, that how you can do version control of GitHub. So, every student should maintain their, active GitHub profile, and they should solve projects, live projects. And, each time these competitions are live, then you can always, in your CV, you can mention that you have obtained this rank, or you were in bronze or silver or gold chain, whatever profile you are maintaining. Only participation will be enough, I can say. So there nowadays there is umpteen opportunities that you can take up and build up a coder's profile. And what I noticed that the students who are very good coders, they later on I get to see on LinkedIn that they are joining Microsoft, or Nooran has joined Amazon, and then 2-3 bunch of girls, they have joined Microsoft. So those students who are good in coding, they get to join later on after 2 years or 3 years of doing their job. They get very good opportunities, and then at that time I think these GitHub profile, your profile on Kaggle, all these things matters. And if in your CV you simply mention that you have designed a digit recognizer using MNIST dataset, then different companies, software companies who are looking for machine learning engineer or similar profile, they will call you, and they will give basically some live problem, and then they check your performance over that. So this way you can maintain, you can build your career by your own, basically. So with this I will end, and I just want to say that same Rizvi sir has said that we can put images of our own department. We have good facilities, and I have seen everyone's article, like Nakvi sir's article and Rizvi sir's article. The articles are very informative, and they are talking about the department and university. So the images should also be from department and university. Okay. Thank you everyone for inviting me here, and very good event.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable insights. Now I'd like to invite my fellow society member, Zia Heather, to present a vote of thanks. Zia, over to you.
Thank you, Huda. HOD sir and distinguished guests, on the behalf of the society, I would like to thank Professor Shanet Kazim Naqvi, Director of CIT, for gracing this event. I would like to convey my special thank to Professor SMK Qadri, Head of the Department of Computer Science, for making this session feasible and giving us opportunity for bring out this magazine. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for Professor Khurram Mustafa, Professor Suraya Jabin, Professor Monica Mehrotra, and all the honorable faculties present here, who took time out to contribute to our magazine with their valuable words. Well, ladies and gentlemen, a magazine like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling months ago. It requires planning and a bird's eye for details. We have been fortunate enough to backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated members who know their jobs and are results oriented. Even I cannot thank everyone enough for their involvement and their willingness to take completion of tasks beyond their comfort zones. And I also wish to express my special gratitude to my fellow club member Bilal Ahmed, who have designed this entire magazine wholeheartedly. And I would like to acknowledge the presence of all our participants who have been patiently and willingly listening to us. I hope you all find our magazine helpful and interesting at the same time. Thank you so much, everyone, again.
Thank you, Zia. I would once again request everyone to please turn on their cameras if they're okay with it, and show the magazine. Like, we'll be taking a screenshot of it. Monica ma'am, Suraya ma'am, Rizvi sir, Kazmi sir, if he's here. Can you all please once again turn on their cameras? We all will be turning on our cameras. Everybody please, for a moment.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. So thank you, Monica ma'am, Surya ma'am, Rizvi sir, Qadri sir, and Kazmi sir as well for taking out time and giving us a motivation for doing all this. Thank you so much. We are grateful to you all.
Okay.
Thank you.
you.
Well
Thank
organized.
you. God bless you
Thank
all.
you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay, we'll end the event with this.
Thank you. God bless you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.